My name is Barnabas Thor, Chief Principal of Meteitei Boys Senior School. I want to speak for Brian Kimutai. Brian Kimutai is our teacher. He's been with us for quite some time, and he's a very good teacher of English and literature. Brian is a teacher full of content. He has mastery of what he's supposed to be teaching. His class, its performance as compared to other classes is exemplary good. Other than class, Brian has been a very good teacher when it comes to co-curricular activities. I remember for the last time, he took a team of students to Moi Girls High School Eldoret for a debating competition. The class emerged the best out of the event, and we attribute this to the very good skills that Brian has as a teacher. Brian is quite jovial, I can attest to that. He mingles and interacts quite well with both students, parents, and also colleague teachers. If given the opportunity to make a comment about him or to recommend, I would strongly recommend Brian for any opportunity given without hesitation. Thank you so much.